Okay, just arrived. We're still kind of setting up. But how unreal. I know, oh my god, Anna! Okay, we're all set up and ready. Having a drink. We're gonna do a panel discussion. So it's a lot later and I'm just heading over to start getting stuff into 𝙒𝙨𝙨𝙗𝙨 for everything that starts tomorrow. It's so crazy, it's actually all starting to happen now. It's just been so much work. So yeah, we're gonna get this stuff in tonight and it's a very early morning tomorrow, so let's go. Drops on the street.
I actually think it's I remember him saying to me afterwards that
so it is the next morning. It's actually so cold out and I'm on my way in to the first day of Fashion Week for Megan's day. She's already in setting up, so I'm gonna get the train, get in. I have to go collect my outfit from the studio that I'm wearing for like the opening panel discussion. I didn't even do my nails. And then yeah, I'll film what I can. So I actually can't believe it's finally here, but yeah, let's go. My outfit, everything I need in my bags. Okay, just on my way over to 𝙒𝙨𝙨𝙗𝙨 now. I've dropped off like all my stuff for tomorrow because it's kind of like I have to get ready for tomorrow for my fashion show and helping Megan today for hers. So yeah, just on my way over to 𝙒𝙨𝙨𝙗𝙨 now, so let's go. Always coffee first. Okay, just arrived. We're still kind of setting up. But how unreal. Ben, how are you doing this morning?
Good. Surviving.
It looks amazing. And everyone getting everything ready here. Getting all the production.
so will I actually be able to postpone until
Okay, so photography passes, Rian's doing photography passes, I'm doing production passes. 𝙁𝙖𝙨𝙝𝙬𝙗's lovely organisation skills. Just setting up Megan's amazing screen. Woo. How are we feeling, guys? Having a drink. Looks so good. And the press launch is just about to happen. We're going to do a panel discussion. That's our panel space there. This is so cool. we're having a coffee and sugar break with Ruth.
Sugar break's essential.
Late night ramen. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're setting up the backdrops. Everyone's restocking the fridge. And we're building out some kind of area here. Okay, building out the stage area. Not really sure, but I'm gonna figure this out. Testing. Yeah.